Freda and I'm from the Haida Nation, and I'm a mother of two, grandmother of two. I got the call. It was a bit of a surprise and an honor, actually, to be nominated for the award.
What NAC program did you graduate from?
Family Violence and Community Counselling. I learned a lot. During the time I was here, we did a lot of circles, and I had never experienced that before, so that was very interesting. I enjoyed it. I found it, I really liked it. I felt very comfortable. When I graduated and I left, I did a project through Native Education Center and the Justice Institute on family violence, on the wife assault policy, which was just in place recently at that time. And then from there, I was hired to work as a victim service worker in the downtown east side, and I worked there for almost 12 years with the Vancouver Police and Native Liaison Society. And then from there I went to work with the Missing Women's Task Force, worked with the on the missing and murdered women in Vancouver, as well as the Highway of Tears EPANA investigation. I still work with the province. I do the Family Information Liaison Unit, which is to complement to the Missing Women's Inquiry, National Inquiry. When families are looking for information, whether it's status of investigation, coroner's reports, MCFD, Pro Board, they put in a request to us, which we forward, and then once that information comes down, we set up meetings with the families and either attend with the RCMP, the coroner, municipal police. It opened doors in that once I was done my family violence and community counseling, and I did a bit of work with the Justice Institute, I started as the specialized victim service worker in the downtown east side, and continued taking different courses in that through the Justice Institute, etc. So that opened up other doors. I think for me, in coming to Native Education Center and in working in the field I've been working in since I left here, one of the things I would say is the importance of education, and that we're never too old to go back to school and to learn, and the doors that are opened once you do. I think for myself, it was an instructor I had in grade 8 that told me, you know, you can do it. I know you can do better than that. And for me, I think that was kind of my point of believing that I could do better, so that we can do whatever we set our mind to. I mean, who would have thought that going forth in my career that I would work on one of the largest cases in Canada as a victim support for families of missing and murdered women. So, and to continue on in that field. Whether you're a youth or you're even an adult, you know, to believe in yourself that you can go beyond.